Hi everyone, welcome to Gal and IAS. Let's go 120 plus. So today's question is related with masala bond. Masala bonds, which is recently in news, is bonds issued by states, cities, counties, and other governmental entities to fund day-to-day obligations and to finance capital projects. B. Designated bonds intended to encourage sustainability and to support climate-related or other types of special environmental projects. C. Rupee denominated bonds issued outside India by Indian entities. Bond that makes no coupon payments but instead is issued at a considerable discount to par value. So, here the question is related with masala bonds. Masala bonds. What is masala bonds actually? Masala bonds are rupee denominated bonds issued in a foreign market to fund for domestic projects. Okay, it is main point rupee denominated bond. It is issued in rupees. Its payment will be done in rupees. Okay, valuation will be done in rupee. Rupee denominated bond. Rupee denominated bond issued in foreign markets, foreign stock exchanges, like by an Indian entity, and it should be issued by an Indian entity. Indian. This Indian entity means it could be a state government or central government or any autonomous bodies of both state and central or any private corporate, whoever. Okay, it should be an Indian entity and it should be denominated in rupees and it is issued in foreign market. For example, issuing in London stock exchanges or a New York stock exchange. Okay, so that is what masala bond is. This is issued to fund for projects in India. Actually, recently this masala bond is issued by Kerala government for its KIFBI projects. Okay, so that's why this masala bond is in news. So it is issued by a state government. So masala bond can be issued by state, central, and private corporates, autonomous bodies, whoever. These conditions should be followed. And Kerala government issued masala bond in London stock exchanges. Okay. So here the right answer, not D. D is related with bond that makes no coupon payments but instead is issued at a considerable discount to par value. It is related with zero coupon bonds. Okay. Then C. Rupee denominated bonds issued outside India by Indian entity. That is the correct answer. B. Designated bonds intended to encourage sustainability and to support climate related or other types of special environment projects. It is related with the green bonds. Okay. So the answer is option C. Rupee denominated bonds issued outside India by Indian entity. Four statements, four options are confusing. Pick the most appropriate from the four. Okay. The third statement gives the correct definition for masala bonds. So the answer is C. Rupee denominated bonds. That is the keyword. Okay. So then next question is reforms which is recently in news is related to. Actually this is reforms is a performance valuation index. So which sector this is reforms valuating? Is it education, banking, public health, income tax? We can eliminate education and public health. Actually this is reforms. This term is not fit for education and public health. So remaining B and D. D is confusing, but the correct answer is B, banking. Each reforms is a performance evaluation of public sector banks in India by the government. Okay, performance evaluation of public sector bank. Public sector bank. How this evaluations happen? Using different parameters like how customer friendly it is, how the digital ecosystem functioning, how the capital requirements is managed. Using different parameters, banks functioning, public sector banks functioning is evaluated. That is what is reforms. Okay. So that's all. Thank you.